Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are going to learn how to add tokens to favorite on Toobit. If you want to keep track of your favorite cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other altcoins, adding them to your favorite list in Toobit makes it super easy, so let's go step by step. First of all, open the Toobit application on your preferred device and log in. Once logged in, go to the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on Favorites at the top left. You will see all of your favorite tokens in this page. If you don't have any, from your Favorites tab, go to the Spot option and then go ahead and click on Add Favorites. Now go to the top right and tap on the small pencil button and select the Add Favorite button. Choose another cryptocurrency you want to add to your favorite list and tap on the star icon right next to them. After you choose the currency pair you want to add to favorite, you can then head back to your favorites list. So that is how you can easily add a currency pair or a token to your favorite list on Toobit. You can also delete the currency pair from your favorite list. Just go to the top right and find the pencil button and select any currency pair you want to delete and click the delete button at the bottom right and click remove. So that way you will be able to add your tokens to your favorite list on Toobit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.